Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on PCEX.com on your phone. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for PCEX.com. Then you will be landed on the official website of PCEX, where if you click on the login/register option, you will be landed on the registration page. Now here you don't need to actually verify any of your identity in order to deposit crypto and withdraw your crypto from here. All you need to verify is your email address. So when you try to register on this platform, it will ask you to verify your email with the 6-digit code that they are going to send you on the email address that you have entered. So you will have to simply provide that code, and you need to simply verify your email address, and you can start using this platform. So there is no need for you to verify your identity on PCEX.com. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.